Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Halloween tutorial. I'm so excited to try this black eye drip kind of thing, I guess. So yeah, this is from American Horror Story, The Asylum or Asylum. It's not gonna be exactly the same, but I mean, this is the look we're going for. Okay, so I don't understand why every Halloween tutorial needs to start out with your eyebrows being gone. I think, like, I don't understand why, like, every ghost or poltergeist or whatever has to have no eyebrows. I don't know what they got against having eyebrows. So we have to block this ish. And it's so incredibly hot out here. I need to do this. I still need to do my eyebrows, which I haven't even done yet. Now that we look like a Coke deal went wrong, some paint. That if you watch my haul, I'll link it down below. This is one of the cream paints that I bought. I'm just trying not to drop the... Ooh. I'm just trying not to drop the mirror because I've been dropping things down. So I'm just gonna stipple this all over my face. Now that we have like a lot of cream makeup, which now I am taking powder and a powder puff, and I'm just going to start trying to set that makeup in. Now that we did like another 2 layers of cream paint and we set that, I basically look crazy. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of pink on the mouth area. Have to sort out the under eye, and I took the wax wrap and I'm going to put a dollop of glue. Oh gosh, this is so messy. A dollop of glue, like so, and I'm just gonna let it hang there. I have that all taken out of the wax wrap. Now I'm just dabbing some black onto the tears, and then we're gonna stick them on with lash glue. So now that we've done all of that, we're going to add the eye drops. I mean the tear drops, and saying eye drops. So it is still a bit messy. I'm just taking some lash glue. What I did, I cut like few pieces, separate pieces for the what is it called in the like the outfit. So this is like the neck and head pieces, and this is the covering piece over the head. Now that we have like practically almost everything done, we should So guys, this is basically the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, it kind of looks scary. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.